In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in DocHub. If you find yourself sending the same kinds of documents over and over, like invoices, intake forms, or consent agreements, creating a reusable template in DocHub will save you time and help keep everything consistent. Let's walk through the simple process so you can set it up once and use it as many times as you need. Start by heading to DocHub.com. Once you're signed in, open the PDF you want to turn into a template, or upload a PDF from your computer if it isn't already in your account. You can also open an existing document you've used before, as long as it's the version you want to standardize. The key here is to begin with a clean final layout that represents your ideal starting point for future copies. Templates in DocHub can include text, images, fillable fields, checkboxes, and even signature areas. If your document already contains these elements, you're in great shape. They'll be preserved when you convert it to a template. If you're using a document that's ready to go, make sure it doesn't contain any one-off information you wouldn't want to repeat, like specific dates or personal details. A good template is neutral and reusable across many cases. When your document is open and ready, it's time to save it as a template. Go to the File menu, choose Save As, and then select Template. Depending on your interface, you may also see a direct option labeled Save as Template. You'll be prompted to name your template. Choose a clear descriptive title, like Invoice Template or Employment Form Template, so you and your team can find it quickly later. If the platform offers tags or categories, take a moment to add them. Labels like finance, HR, or client onboarding make searching and organizing much easier as your library grows. Click Save, and you're done. Your newly created template will now appear in the Templates section of DocHub, ready for you to reuse whenever you need a fresh copy. From this point forward, you won't have to rebuild the structure each time. You'll simply start from the template and focus on the unique details for that instance. Before you move on, a quick best practice. Keep your template generic, use placeholders where appropriate, and revisit the name and tags if your team's needs change. With that, you now have a clean, reliable template you can use again and again.